Hello guys, this is a new update in Galaxy Pro Scheduler for train booster. So suppose you have scheduled a train in your page and your profile got a logout in Facebook. So you will see the warning like this that your token has been expired, but don't worry, if your profile has been disabled or blocked permanently, then also don't worry, just go to update token and do the steps with your new profile and paste your token here and click submit. After that, see your profile is updated, and after that don't forget to add your pages again. Okay, so here we added the pages. Now go to train history. Now see, here you can see the trains that were scheduled are showing a new box for rescheduling. So the links that were dropped were removed from the list, and the links that were left to be dropped are the links that were scheduled after the logout. They are still in the list, so don't worry, just go back and give a time interval and just click reschedule. See, the time has been changed and the time for every link was also rescheduled. So in this way, no links of your train will be skipped or missed. Thank you.